Our first point is what is trigonometry. Okay, what is trigonometry? So the trigonometry is combination of two words. It's trign plus metron. Trigon means triangle. Okay, and the metron means measure. Triangle means it's a polygon. It's a polygon which have three sides, okay, and three angles. Three angles, right? Which have three sides and three angles. That's called a triangle. So trigonometry is the measurement of these three sides and three angles. Okay, three angles. So we mostly use right angle triangle. Okay, we mostly use right angle triangle. Okay, then what is the right angle triangle? It's one of the angle is 90 degree. Okay, and if I will say A, B and C, okay, if this is theta, this is also 90 minus theta. Okay, because the sum of the three angles are 180. Sum of the three angles are 180. Okay, right angle triangle. So for right angle triangle, what are the rules are there? Okay, so if I make right angle triangle, okay, then one of the scientists Pythagoras that state the rule about the right angle triangle. He says that longer side square is equal to the other two side squares, sum of the other two side square. Okay, but angle is the triangle is the right angle triangle. Its condition is that one of right angle triangle, so its longer side square is equal to the sum of the other two side square. Okay, this is the Pythagoras rules. So for right angle we use the right angle triangle in our trigonometry. Okay, mostly. So we have to remember this one of the rule of the Pythagoras. So then in trigonometry, okay, there are the sum of the function like a sin theta, cos theta, okay, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta and the cot theta. Okay, here sin, cos, tan, cosec, sec and cot, all these are the functions. Okay, and theta, all these are the functions which give us the value according the theta. According we are changing the theta. Theta is the angle. Okay, theta is the angle. So what is the theta then? Okay, if we are standing here, okay, we have a horizontal line Okay, we have also vertical distance to us. If here is your house, you are standing out of your house. Okay, your house distance, this vertical distance is something height of the house here. Okay, and you are standing at some of the distance, horizontal distance of your house. Okay, and you are suppose you are seeing straight to your house, then what angle is making? That's theta is equal to 0 degree. You are seeing straight. Okay, if you are seeing at the top of your house, then you have making some angle, it's theta angle. Okay, you are making from your eye. Okay, here you can see, then you can make some angle, that's called sin theta. From this we make a right angle triangle. You are standing here, you are seeing something like your house, temple, or anything, any building, and there is also horizontal distance from you and that building, and also that a vertical distance. That's make a right angle triangle. Okay, now here if you are making that some angle theta, you have that's let's say it's a point, it's b point, it's a point, it's a point, it's b point, and it's a c point. Okay, then you make the ratios over here. Okay, some of the ratio. So what is the ratio? It's AB upon AC. In trigonometry, some of the ratios are used, like if you are taking vertical distance upon your inclined distance, what you are seeing, its inclined distance is called hypotenuse. Okay, it's your vertical distance with reference to angle theta, it's called opposite side to the angle, opposite side. It's the adjacent side to your point C. Okay, so what are the ratios? AB upon AC. Also another is BC upon AC. Okay, another is AB upon BC. Okay, these are the some ratios. Also we can inverse of it, so it's AC upon AB. Okay, then AC upon BC. Okay, and then BC upon AB. So okay, so AB upon AC is what? AB upon AC is the opposite side. Opposite side. It is the opposite side. Opposite side of point C. Opposite side of point C, and AC is the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. Okay. So this ratio is called as a sin theta. Okay. So what is the sin theta? Wherever the theta is at the point, angle theta is making at the point C. Okay. So with reference to point C, what is the sin theta? Is the opposite side. It is the opposite side. Okay, upon hypotenuse. Okay. Then what is the opposite side? It is the AB, and hypotenuse is AC. Okay. Likewise, what is the cos theta? That, okay, with reference to point C always. Okay, like similar. Then what is the point C? Its ratio we can define BC upon AC. Okay, BC upon AC. Then what is the BC? Is the adjacent side. Adjacent side, okay, upon hypotenuse. Then it's a BC upon AC. Then tan theta, it's a opposite side. This AB upon AC ratio, AB upon BC ratio. This is the BC upon AC ratio. Okay. This is the AB upon AC ratio. Okay. Then tan theta is what is opposite side. Opposite side upon adjacent side. Then it's AB upon BC ratio. Then if you know what is the sin theta, cos theta and tan theta, then you know the cosec theta, sec theta and the cot theta. Okay. What is the cosec theta then? Then it's a 1 upon sin theta. Okay. Then sec theta is 1 upon cos theta. Okay. And cot theta is 1 upon tan theta. It's simple. So for these 6 functions or 6 for these 6 functions, sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta and cot theta, what you have to remember that what is the sin theta, what is the cos theta and what is the tan theta. Then you also get it what is the cosec theta, sec theta and cot theta. Okay. So now how we can get the theta? Then theta is the angle. Okay. If theta is the angle with respect to horizontal distance. Okay. With respect to horizontal distance, with respect to horizontal line, we can say. Okay. Then ये है x axis, y axis. Okay. Let us say this point is our starting point, 0 0, x comma y. That value of x is equal to 0 and value of y equal to 0. Okay. From this point, if we are going towards the right of x axis, then we can get the positive values of x, means x greater than 0. Okay. Positive values of x, that means x greater than 0. So it's positive value of x and y are the variables. Okay. X and y is the variable. So likewise, if from the starting point you go left to the x-axis, then you get the values of all values of x is less than 0, means the negative value. Likewise, from the starting point, if you go the upward side, then you can get the all values of y is greater than 0, means positive values of y, and goes the downward side, then you can get the all values of y is less than 0, then it's called negative value of y. Okay. Then if this is our horizontal line, we can say is the x-axis, and the perpendicular to the x-axis is a y-axis. Okay. So we know that horizontal, what is the theta? Theta is the angle with respect to the horizontal line. The horizontal line, if this is my horizontal line, okay, if I am making, this is my suppose starting point, okay, if I am drawing line over this horizontal line, then what is the my theta? Theta is equal to 0. Okay, if I am drawing my line at some angle, let's say theta is equal to 30 degree. Okay, then my theta is 30 degree. This is a 30 degree line my with respect to the x-axis or a horizontal line. Then suppose I am drawing at a 60 degree. Okay, then it's my theta is equal to 60 degree line. Okay, likewise if I am drawing perpendicular to the my horizontal line, then it's making an angle with the horizontal line is a 90 degree. Okay, 90 degree. Okay, there. So similar to that,